Hey guys, Paul here, and today we're going to talk about something every travel videographer needs to know about: visual evidence. Now, before you leave, I know what you're thinking. Paul, I got my camera, I've got my destination, what more do I need? Well, stick around because visual evidence is the secret sauce that is going to take your travel videos to the next level. So let's talk about that right now. Now, before we dive deeper, what is visual evidence? To simply put it, visual evidence is anything that you can point your camera at and it shows what story you are trying to tell. For example, your story is about your experience in having a hot cup of cappuccino in Italy. So you have a shot of the coffee, the restaurant in Italy, and the ambience and you drinking that coffee. That's evidence that you experienced that particular story. Now, aside from those things that I've mentioned, the tangible things that your camera can capture, here are some of the things that you need to remember when you are capturing visual evidence. You know what really makes a travel video pop? Contrast. I'm not talking about contrast in colors, although that is important too. I am talking about contrasting elements within your frame. Think about it, juxtaposing a serene beach with a bustling market scene creates visual interest and tells a story without saying a word. So next time you're shooting, look for those contrasting elements and watch your footage come to life. Here's a little secret. Perfection, it's overrated, especially when it comes to travel video. Sure, you want your shots to be crisp, clean, but sometimes it's the imperfections that adds charm and authenticity to your footage. Embrace the quirks and unexpected moments, the little hiccups along the way. They are what makes your video uniquely yours. Now, speaking of imperfections, let's talk about chaos. Traveling can be chaotic, crowds, traffic, unpredictable weather, but instead of fighting it, embrace it. Use the chaos to your advantage. Capture the energy of a bustling street market or the drama of a sudden downpour. Don't shy away from chaos. Let it add flavor to your video. Patience, guys. Patience. It is a virtue, especially in travel videography. Sometimes the best shots comes to those who wait. So don't be afraid to slow down. Take a breath and wait for the perfect moment to unfold. Whether it's waiting for the golden hour light or waiting for that perfect wave to crash, just trust me, it is worth it. Remember to tell your story. Sure, you are capturing stunning visuals, but what's the story behind them? What emotions do you want your viewers to feel? Whether it's a personal journey or self-discovery of a thrilling adventure across exotic landscapes, make sure your visuals are not just eye candy, but also a window to your world. There you have it, guys. That is the power of visual evidence in taking your travel videos to the next level. Remember, it's not just about what you see, but it's about how you see it. Now, if you want to learn more how to capture visual evidence, I suggest you watch these videos, subscribe to this channel, and let us all learn, create, and share. So, peace out, guys. Peace.